Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing what Facebook needs to optimize. Connect Business Manager, add an ad account, and attach a valid payment method so delivery won't pause. Once that's done, install the Meta Pixel on your site and verify key events in test events so you can measure outcomes. Next, choose a single clear objective: conversions, traffic, leads, or brand awareness, because Facebook optimizes differently for each. You'll now create an initial campaign using that objective and name it clearly for tracking. Once the campaign shell exists, structure your ad sets. Decide between campaign budget optimization or individual ad set budgets, pick a bid strategy, and set daily or lifetime limits. Make focused audiences. Use custom audiences from Pixel or customer lists, create lookalikes at 1% or 2%, and layer detailed targeting while excluding recent converters. Prepare multiple creatives: a short 15-30-second video, a carousel, and single image variants with one strong headline and a clear call to action to test performance. Now launch with a testing plan. Start low, stagger ad set start times, and let each variant run at least 3-7 days to gather data. Monitor CTR, CPC, CPA, ROAS, and frequency. Make sure budget shifts follow statistically significant trends rather than day-to-day noise. If things go wrong, check the Meta Pixel accuracy, resolve any ad disapprovals, examine audience overlap and delivery caps, and consider creative fatigue. Swap creatives or expand targeting before increasing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.